Hello and welcome to Learning Outcome 4. How do team dynamics influence organizational goals? Explore the importance of effective team management in achieving success. Delve into team types, conflict resolution, and the power of collaboration. Teams come in various forms, each serving unique functions. Functional teams focus on specific tasks. Cross-functional teams bring diverse expertise together. Virtual teams work across geographical boundaries. Self-directed teams operate autonomously. Work teams are groups of employees working semi-autonomously. They handle recurring tasks and adapt to changing job content. These teams thrive where specific skills are needed. They are essential in dynamic work environments. Employee collaboration is key. Effective teams are built using models like Tuckman's and Belbin's. Tuckman's model outlines stages of team development. Belbin's framework assigns roles based on strengths. These frameworks enhance team functionality. They foster a conducive environment for collaboration. Teamwork boosts efficiency and problem-solving. It offers mutual support and diverse perspectives. In healthcare, it improves patient safety. Teams tackle challenges more effectively. Collaboration leads to innovative solutions. Informal teams form naturally without organizational setup. They lack strict rules but foster camaraderie. Formal teams are structured with specific roles. They follow guidelines and have clear objectives. Both types offer unique advantages. Temporary teams handle specific tasks for limited periods. They bring fresh perspectives to projects. Multi-agency teams unite volunteers for common goals. They leverage diverse expertise. Both types are goal-oriented. Virtual teams operate across distances using technology. They adapt to flexible work environments. Operational teams perform primary organizational tasks. They represent the company's face. Both types are crucial for modern businesses. Support teams provide essential backup services. They include IT, finance, and HR support. These teams enable others to perform efficiently. They maintain organizational cohesion. Support teams are vital for smooth operations. Efficient teams achieve more collectively. They enhance business outcomes through collaboration. Diverse skills improve problem-solving. Mutual support fosters goal achievement. Teamwork saves resources and boosts competitiveness. Conflict arises from differing viewpoints. Handling it well benefits the team. Ignoring conflict leads to issues. Direct communication resolves conflicts effectively. Negotiation and compromise are key strategies. Resolving conflict requires respect and patience. Emotions, perceptions, and actions are involved. A three-step process aids resolution: prepare, understand, and reach agreement. Positive experiences replace negative ones. After conflict resolution, celebrate the team's efforts. This builds cohesion and confidence. Acknowledging contributions prevents future conflicts. Understanding different perspectives is crucial. It expands thought processes. Effective teams achieve remarkable results. Dysfunctional teams cause disruption. Team dynamics influence success. They require careful management. Proper dynamics lead to strategic achievements. Working as a team requires coordination. Each member contributes to specific goals. Conflict resolution is part of teamwork. Organizing events showcases team dynamics. Collaboration ensures success. Each team member has distinct roles. Responsibilities align with individual strengths. This ensures efficient task completion. Clear roles prevent confusion. They promote accountability. Team members contribute based on expertise. Finance, administration, and sales are key areas. Marketing and operations are crucial too. Each role supports the overall goal. Effective contributions ensure success. Reviewing team performance highlights strengths. It identifies areas for improvement. Feedback enhances future collaboration. Evaluating skills ensures continuous growth. Regular reviews maintain team effectiveness. Leadership guides team dynamics. Effective leaders inspire and motivate. They resolve conflicts and delegate tasks. Strong leadership fosters collaboration. It drives teams toward success. Team dynamics directly impact goal achievement. Clear communication is vital. Understanding roles enhances efficiency. Conflict resolution ensures smooth operations. Dynamics shape organizational success. As we conclude leadership and people management, learning outcome 4, we have developed the ability to analyze team dynamics and understand their importance in achieving organizational goals. We explored how factors such as communication patterns, leadership style, roles and responsibilities, trust, conflict management, and collaboration influence overall team performance. By evaluating how individuals interact within a team and identifying strengths and areas for improvement, leaders can enhance cohesion, productivity, and alignment with strategic objectives. Effective team dynamics ultimately contribute to stronger performance, innovation, and the successful achievement of organizational goals. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 0748 436 1688.